There are 4 steps that I'm going to cover today on how to play With or Without You by U2. With or without you, with or without you. First thing is I recommend that people listen to the song. If they haven't listened to it recently, it usually helps get into the rhythm of the song. I want to make sure that you have also the music in front of you so that you're able to play and know what the words are. We're going to be playing 4 easy chords today: G, D, E minor, and C. And if you want a free cheat sheet for beginner chords, you can use the link below and get a download free for that. If you're using Ultimate Guitar or Chordify or some other app, go ahead and get that downloaded for this song. Step 2 in learning the song is going to be deciding on what strumming pattern you'd like to use. So I'm going to start with a very basic one, just 4 down. If you're struggling with needing more time to go between the chords, you could just do 1 at the top. So you could do 1, 1, 2, and you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and then move to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then move to the next chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that should get you started. Most people should be able to just go with 4. And then you can just play at your own speed. If you like this video so far, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe. I really appreciate you taking the time to support my channel. The next step in learning a song is going to be practicing the chords that I shared at the top, which is G, D, E minor, and C. And once you've got that mastered, we can move on to the singing part. So when we get to this final stage, some people may or may not want to sing. I have some friends that they just don't really enjoy singing that much and they feel uncomfortable with that. So they don't sing at all and they just play the music or play the chords and they don't bother with the singing. But if you are thinking about maybe singing, there are a lot of health benefits of singing, and I have another whole video on that you can check out after this. If you want to learn to sing, it just takes some practice and time to work on your voice, so I highly recommend it. In putting it all together, when you're getting into singing the lyrics, sometimes it might be a little bit hard to try to sing the lyrics and change chords at the same time. So if you want to do something a little bit easier, you could just start with da 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 na 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 da da da. So this way you can kind of get the rhythm of the music even if you don't know all the words, and you can kind of practice that for a bit if that's a little bit easier. And then I'll show an example of jumping into the words. See the stone set in your eyes, see the thorn twist in your side. I'll wait for you. Slide a hand and twist of fate on a bed of nails. She makes me wait, and I wait without you, with or without you. I said in the beginning of this video that you'd be able to play the song in 4 steps. So we finished the 4th step. I want to talk about 2 more things really quickly before you run away. Sort of a bonus step is that I recommend that after you've played the song a bit, to record yourself playing it and then play it back and listen to it, because then you should be able to hear where there's problems, and when you're comparing that to the original, you'll be able to figure out the song a little bit better. The second bonus I wanted to share with you, which I think is kind of cool, is that now that you've learned these 4 chords, you can actually play thousands of songs, and it opens up a whole lot more opportunity for you to take what you learned and expand that to other types of songs. As an example, I just discovered just today as I was putting this video together that Louis Capaldi's Someone You Loved uses the same chords exactly. So if you're interested in learning that song, I've included a link below so you can listen to Louis Capaldi's song. I hope that after this after this video, that you will check out some of my other videos on just the basics of and beyond of strumming, basics of how to sing, and then also the benefits of singing. Appreciate your time taken to watch this video today, and I'll see you next time.